You will be amazed by this 2023 Hyundai Kona. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.